Hello, rising ninth graders. So I'm here in my garden to introduce my homeroom. Realize that might be a little unorthodox, but what I wanted to show you is this celery stalk. Now it's a good almost 2 feet tall, but this celery stalk came from the grocery store, but I didn't buy it like this. It was a regular celery stalk, cut off the stalks, used them in soup, took the bottom part. Most people throw it away. Put it out here in the garden, and it sprouted. I put it out here in like January. I figured really the frost would kill it, but it survived, and over the last week it has really shot up, and it's gonna bloom. Okay, so I've never seen celery blooms before, but I'm going to, hopefully. And so I think the lesson here is when you're in the right conditions, you have the right things that you need. In the case of the celery, light, good soil, good air, you grow and you become stronger and you bloom. That's going to be your task in high school. Find the right environment, find the right people, grow stronger, and bloom.